Get ready to start using all the power of TikTok to take your sales and your business to the next level. Welcome to the ultimate TikTok ads and marketing course. This course is designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to create engaging content, reach more followers, and grow your TikTok account exponentially.
Hey guys, my name is Tobias and I'm an expert in marketing. But not marketing in general, of course, but focused on social media marketing.
And I'm Diego. I have worked with hundreds of students, helping them to grow their sales and their business using digital marketing. And in partnership with Tobias, we will deliver the absolute best TikTok course that you will ever need. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand the TikTok algorithm and how to create videos that capture attention and go viral. Optimize your TikTok profile and videos to attract more followers and increase engagement. Unlock the power of hashtags and reach millions of potential followers. Discover how to create and use Duet and Stitches to collaborate with other users and increase your visibility. Analyze your TikTok performance and make data-driven decisions. And master TikTok ads to create successful campaigns that reach your target audience and boost your sales.
By the end of the course, you will have all the tools necessary to increase your brand visibility, attract new customers, and grow your business exponentially.
This course is ideal for anyone who wants to leverage TikTok to grow their brand and business, and also gain a deeper understanding on how creating engaging and viral videos, and how to use TikTok ads to reach their target audience and sell like never before. Enroll now and let's take your TikTok marketing game to the next level. See you inside.